Hi, I'm Trevor Stonerock with EggSite, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your egg. Before we begin, make sure you've charged your egg for a couple hours and be in range of a Wi-Fi network. Move closer to the router for a stronger connection, or if you have any connectivity issues. I also recommend keeping the egg plugged into the charger during setup. And if you have a USB keyboard available, you can plug that into the egg and use that during setup instead of the on-screen keyboard if you prefer. Let's take a quick look at the on-screen keyboard before we start. So this is the on-screen keyboard for the egg. As you can see, the layout's similar to a regular keyboard where it has Q, W, E, and R, T, Y. We just have it split across multiple pages. And you can press the left and right arrow keys at the bottom to move forward or back a page. It takes a little getting used to at first, but it's pretty intuitive if you think about it as the same layout as a keyboard, just split across multiple pages. And then the other two arrows on here are for shift and backspace. You can press the top above the keyboard here to close the on-screen keyboard. All right, let's begin. Okay, press start. First, we're going to need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So your network should be listed here already. If it's not, you can press add a network, and then you can manually enter the SSID and the security type and password. But if your network is listed here, then just press your network. It'll try to connect, and then it's going to ask you for the password. So you can just go ahead and type in the password here. Once your password is entered, just press up here, press OK. Attempt to connect. One thing to keep in mind when entering your password is it is case sensitive for network passwords. So if it's connected successfully, it will show that blue message that just popped up real quick, and then it'll have a green bar over the name of the network that indicates that you were successfully connected to the network. If it does not, if it fails, it'll display a red error message. That's going to look like this. And that means that either the password was entered incorrectly or the egg may be too far from the router to connect. So if it fails, just try connecting again, re-enter the password, or try moving closer to the router. Once you're connected, go ahead and press next. Okay, the first step after setting up Wi-Fi is to import content. You could skip this if you wanted to, but I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to import. And if you decide to import, you can continue to set up during the import process. So all you have to do is connect the USB cable to your device and then connect a USB into the side of the egg here. It'll pop up and say, we have detected that a device has been plugged into the egg. Okay, press next. Okay, now this screen is important. Please unlock the device and trust the egg in this device. Now I'm going to show you real quick what that means. So here on my iPad, I'm going to slide to unlock the device. And then it's going to pop up this message that says, trust this computer. All I have to do is press trust, and then that's it. Now I can import. Okay, so once you've trusted the egg on the device, go ahead and press OK. Import 1 will just import the most recent media file. Import all will import all media files on the device, so I'm going to import all. It's going to scan my device, and I don't have that much on there, so it's going to detect, it's going to import 25 files. I'm just going to press next, and you can go ahead and continue the setup. Okay, now it's time to name your egg. When naming your egg, keep in mind that this name is unique to your egg. It can be a combination of letters and numbers. It cannot contain any spaces. The display is going to indicate if the name you've chosen is available. But let me go ahead and enter my name on here real quick. So I entered my name, then it is going to check to make sure that name is available. And after it had checked, see it says the name is available right down there. So you can just go ahead and press next. Go ahead and enter your first name. And then enter your... After you're done importing, it's going to pop up on you and say, gathered however many photos and videos, whatever files it collected, and you just press OK, and then you can continue setup. So go ahead and press next. And then I'm going to enter your last name. Okay, the egg uses your email when you send invitations and notifications, like if you invite a friend to view something on your egg. So you'll need to enter your email and password, just like if you're logging into your email on your computer. It's all just stored on your egg. So if you're using Yahoo, you just enter your email and password, pretty straightforward. Now if you're using Gmail, there's an extra page where you have to press allow. If you're using an alternate email, you'll need the SMTP server and SMTP port. Now we do have a couple of videos, short videos available that go over Gmail and other email setup, but for right now I'm just going to use Yahoo. Press next and go ahead and enter your email. Once you've entered your email, press next. Then you'll need to enter your password. So once you've entered your password, go ahead and press next. And it's going to send you an email with a code. It says the code was sent. So now I need to check my email, and there's going to be a 5-digit code in there. Just go ahead and enter that code here. So I'll go check my email. So I got my code. Alright, so once you've entered your code, it's going to check and it'll tell you if the code is incorrect or not right there. It says correct, so I've entered it correctly. I'm going to go ahead and press next. Just lets you know that you validated your email, so I'll go ahead and press next again. Now, on this page, you're going to choose a username for your egg. This will be used to log into your egg. It should be an email, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the same email that you used in the previous step. I'm going to use the same email here, so I'm just going to press next. Now you'll need to create a password that you'll use to log on to the egg as the owner. Choose any password you want, but make sure it's something secure that you can remember. Once you've entered your password, go ahead and press next. It's going to tell you it's registering your egg. Alright, and you're all done. Your egg is now accessible via the Eggstra app on Android or iOS devices, and also at the website at the name of your egg.eggsite.com. Please wait a minute after setup for the egg to import preloaded content. If you have any questions or feedback, we have live chat with us available on eggsite.com, or you can email your questions to support@eggsite.com. That's it.